Hey guys, do you want to see something funny? It's funny because it's numb. I can't smile all the way. I got the thing done in my tooth. It was actually, they did a cavity thing in between, but I'm not so sure this is actually what the pain was. Come here, kitty. I'm gonna have a kitty in this for a kitty channel. Yeah, this is Puma. So they did this like sedative filling, temporary filling, that if the pain goes away while I have it in the next 4 weeks, then we know it's that, and then if not, then we have to go to endodontist. Come here. Mama has been. Come here. Come here. Come over here. This hand. Come here. Come here, my love. Come here. Come on. Very lovely. Oh, ouch. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I love you so much. You're so good. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. I love you. She's the best kitty ever. Yeah. I say all cats are the best kitty ever. Because they are. Yeah. They're all wonderful. Oh, what my sweet, lovey mama kitties are. They got my heart. Yes, they do. Oh, so another weird thing is, look. I can only move one nostril. Everything is numb. Come here. See, she isn't here. Not super bad, but come here. Come here, Mama. Come here. There's a squeaky van outside. Come here. I love petting her too. Mommy, so love you. Come on. You giving me a hug? Oh, precious. Oh, precious. Come here, lovely. Sorry. I want to catch one of you guys. Good job. He's been a butthead. He used to be my cuddle bud. Now he's just very independent. Yeah. Guys got stuff all over my shirt. Your litter's too old. I gotta change it because now it's starting to get where it sheds everywhere. The litter's wood, so it breaks down when it's got too much urine on it. So actually that's pretty gross then. Anyway, we'll see you later.